What's the meaning of bodyguard? Bodyguard. Bodyguard.
Bodyguard. Bodyguard. A bodyguard is a person or group of people employed to protect an individual or group from potential threats or harm. Bodyguards may be hired by public figures, celebrities, executives, or anyone who feels their safety may be compromised. The main duty of a bodyguard is to provide physical security through close proximity protection, surveillance, and risk assessment. They may also be responsible for screening mail and visitors, controlling access to restricted areas, and managing any events or public appearances. Bodyguards must always be alert, observant, and prepared to act quickly in order to prevent any potential danger.